Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I can't be the only one who sensed a bit of spiciness at the timing of Usne's question. So Utirel was busy talking there on the table, addressing the siblings, saying, Uti, this is the reason why I'm bringing me and Umpumelela's ndabas on the table is because when it came up amongst you guys, izinto zinjalo nje. Out of the blue, Usne looks at Amahle and she's like, all right. I'm just like Njanis near the person that we can clearly see is not okay is Utirelo. Wouldn't it be befitting for Usne to actually turn to Utirelo and ask Utirelo, are you right? Instead, she asked Amahi, are you okay? For me, guys, I just felt like it gave vibes. Yo, Utirelo asnandaba ngawe because dramatic. The only person that I'm going to check up on right now is Amahi because Amahu's tulele. Listen, if I was Utirelo and I had any sort of doubts of whether Usne uyangithanda or not, this would have been my answer. Because remember, there was a time where Utirelo was asking the siblings, including Usne, kind of asking them, you know, where does she stand with them? Usne chose not to answer the question. And remember, Usne was close with Uvuyokazi. So I just feel like Usne is like putting a stamp on a Joguti. I just kind of felt like that was shady at that moment, because if I recall well, whenever Uvuyokazi would voice out her issues benompumelelo, Unokuzana Usne would speak up for Uvuyokazi. But now when Utireno's voicing out her issues with her man, everyone nje ukhathele, everyone akasazingeni shame Tirelo ngaze ngakusizela. But anyway, girl, just take this as a clear indication of where you stand with Umpumelele's siblings. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.